We're the Huston sisters. Hi, we're the Huston sisters. In today's video, we are going to be doing a taste test, and this is part of Gardien Ultimate, and we're going to be trying the plant-based chicken.
What is this?
These are pretzel buns we got from Target. Yeah, pretzel buns.
I'm gonna have to add some butter to that.
And slice them. These are from Target. The ones at Whole Foods, I believe they already come sliced and everything, but those are really good. But we're gonna try these today. And this is my sister's son, Jeremiah. And so that's my nephew, you guys. He's a track star.
He's a runner, he's a track star.
So to cook these, you'll preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and spray on a non-stick baking sheet. With cooking spray and arrange frozen chicken fillets in a single layer. Bake to 22 to 24 minutes.
So you guys, I hope these taste good. The mini chicken sandwiches, have you tasted those? No? I think me and Jeremiah, we like the mini chicken sandwiches, but we're about to try these, you guys. And of course, they're vegan. Protein-wise, they have 23 grams of protein. Sodium, 810. Well, that's per serving, and there's 3 servings per container. So
810 grams of sodium? Wow.
And 280 calories, you guys. So yeah, that is a lot of sodium. Yeah, so we're about to pop these in the oven, and we will be back.
Y'all wanna look at it?
Yeah.
Bring it.
Let me do that first. We're gonna sit down. So we're back. The chicken is cooked, and yeah, it's cooked. You can also put it in the air fryer, so it probably will be more crunchy in the air fryer. But my question is like, can you actually fry it? And we have our mustard, Polynesian, mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and pickles. And our pretzel buns are toasted, which we put vegan butter on, Earth Balance. They got their cheese and everything, so yeah. We're gonna make our thing.
Dig in and see how it tastes.
And if you're still watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and hit that notification bell as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, kind of tastes like the mini ones.
I've never had the mini ones,
I think
but
it
this tastes pretty good. I don't know. It tastes
It
pretty
needs
good.
some spice, but it's good. Okay, let me get my.
Let's
Put my
see
hand
what it
down.
does on a sandwich. It tastes
My
pretty good.
tomato. I like mustard.
Mayo.
Yeah. I forgot I put my lettuce on first. Then my tomato.
Some mayo.
That should be enough.
If I like this, I'm gonna be like, well, I should have got a whole one too. Here's Zion.
Medium mayo.
Ooh, it's hot. And we did let it stay in a little bit longer than
Somebody
suggested.
make too much lettuce.
Can you give me a mayo top?
Your mama just wanted a little bit of lettuce.
Appreciate it.
I'll give you a little bit more.
So.
Dang. Let me give me some lettuce.
It's not that. It's still a lot left.
My
'Cause I ain't got
sandwich
none.
is leaning because
Brittany ain't got none
we're
either.
supposed to make it up first and then cut it.
Girl.
Now my sandwich is leaning.
Do we have to taste it at the same time?
Duh. Because if you don't like yours, I'm gonna be like, wait, I don't want to eat mine.
Well, you just taste the chicken, so you know it's gonna be alright. If you don't like it, it's gonna be the bread.
Ugh. Okay. I got one onion. See, it's leaning. It's leaning. You want some more lettuce, Jeremiah?
I told you.
Because we still got
Man,
some
Jeremiah
left.
is really
Okay. I need some Polynesian sauce. Just to put on my plate. You want some?
We all gonna taste at the same time.
Yeah. You want some Polynesian?
Maybe give me a
I
little
don't.
bit.
We
Give me a
got
tiny bit.
Polynesian. That's good?
Mhm.
Okay, you guys.
All right, 1, 2,
Two,
3. That's pretty good.
That's good. Mmm. That's really good.
Y'all know I'm not vegan, but I would eat this. It tastes like chicken.
This
And
is
it looks
good.
like a real fried chicken patty on the inside.
Let's see how it tastes with the Polynesian. Mmm. That's good. You can really fool somebody with this. Mmm. You think so?
Mm-hmm. It tastes like those little
Mmm.
Tyson, kind of like the little Tyson chicken that Jeremiah eats.
Mmm. This is better than the small ones. Mmm.
It has a good flavor to it too. This
I could smell it cooking.
the meat itself has good flavor to it.
And
Or
the texture.
I guess not the meat, but whatever it is inside of it got a good
Tastes like a chicken deluxe.
good flavor to it. Jeremiah said it tastes like a chicken deluxe.
It's good.
A chicken deluxe from where?
Chick-fil-A.
Oh,
It's good. Like the
Uh-oh.
texture and everything is there. It's not mushy.
mm-mm. I don't know if it tastes like Chick-fil-A, but
She didn't have
it's
no
a pretty
Polynesian
good.
sauce.
It's a pretty. Maybe that's what made it taste like Chick-fil-A, but it's still a pretty good chicken sandwich.
This is really good. Mmm. Mmm.
I could have made me some
Mmm.
what's that hey, that sauce that McDonald's have with Big Mac.
Mac sauce.
Yeah, that Mac sauce. I could put some of that on here though.
Mmm. This is
That would have
good.
been good.
I normally don't like eating a lot of this processed stuff, but this is good. I would buy this again. But the only thing is, it's like $7, and only 3 fillets come in there. But it's big.
If you go to get you a combo, you gonna spend what? Like Chick-fil-A, somebody you gonna spend what, about $9, $10 now?
Yeah.
So that's $30. So even though it's a combo, but at least for a sandwich, you're gonna spend what, $3 or $4.
Mm.
So
It is really good.
you have fast food at home. Fast food vegan at home.
Mm.
Don't mind the baby in the background.
He just mad he can't have none. This is good.
Mhm. Yeah, that's very good. I would eat it again.
I wonder. Hey, we told Daddy we make chicken sandwiches. Did he not know? I'm really surprised.
And Jeremiah almost done.
He had a whole one. It's way better than the other one we tried. That other one was nasty.
I couldn't even take chicken bite of the other one.
Me neither. For some reason, it's real popular. We're not gonna
I
mention
think
the
I still
brand.
could have even did it without the cheese,
Hmm.
but I would have just done like a different sauce like that. So it would have made like a mac sauce or something.
Yeah. That was really good. We've tried other vegan sandwiches and they did not taste good. But that was really good. And if you're still watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, that stuff all on my teeth. Are you getting it like in the bread?
Yeah, the bread is good too.
We know you like George, man.
I thought the bread was gonna be too thick, but once you bite into it, it's not too thick. And you know how sometimes buns can be like have too much bread. It wasn't like that either. It was a little bit more airy instead of like
Yeah.
just bread.
So you guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and
And
subscribe. Bye.
See y'all next time.